Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight the web elements in Selenium WebDriver automation. Let's get started. Before that, I'm using this application. Give me. Let me open an incognito. LinkedIn. Yeah, this. Not this one. LinkedIn. Yes. Sign in. This one. This page I am going to show you how to highlight. Yeah, so here I'm using Selenium with Python. Let me first import module WebDriver module from Selenium package, and I'm using a PyTest framework like test engine Java to write the test cases. So my test name is test highlight element. This is simple test case. Initialize the driver. I'm going to use Chrome, and then I want to highlight it, maximize the browser. Yes, maximize the browser. Then driver dot navigate to the application LinkedIn you login. So once this is done, okay, I have to give this doc strings for the Python module. Highlight element and the module also, and at the test level also. Just save it, it will go off. Yeah, gone. Now I want to uh, yeah, I want to highlight two elements. I don't want to highlight everything. At least three elements I'll try to highlight. uh, Username, sign in button, and this sign in with Apple. Okay, already I have taken the identified the locators of email, password, and sign in button. I'll copy paste here. Okay, I have to import the by class also from Selenium package. Selenium dot webdriver dot common dot by, and then import y class. That's it. After highlight, now I want to highlight. So in order to highlight, you need to write the, okay, I have to get the locator of the sign in with the Apple. Sign in with Apple, and let me write a XPath. I think this is a button only, so I have it as, I'll say Apple button simply. Text already, I just replace it. That's it. Apple button. Now I have to write the driver script, JavaScript, in order to highlight it. So in Selenium using Python, we have a method execute script in order to execute the JavaScript. So I'm using that method. Here I will write the JavaScript for highlighting that. Arguments, first argument 0 means dot style. Here I am going to highlight only the border, that is enough for me. And how do I want to use? Size is 3px or 2px of your choice, and I want solid red. uh, I mean, again, it's your choice how which color you want. um, and then give all the three elements, email or sign in button. Okay, email and Apple button would be enough. Okay, driver dot execute script, and I can copy the same thing. Oh, yeah, I'm writing again. Yep. Here now I will get Apple button. Okay, that's it. I think I can remove the password, but only two elements I'm highlighting for the demonstration, and then I'll let me take the screenshot also. Get screenshot as file. Okay, I want to save it as under Selenium 4. I want to save it as just hi hi.png. Okay, and then I'll close my browser. Okay, I'm done with my scripting part. Let me execute. In order to execute it, let me go to my folder Selenium 4, clear it, and the file name is test highlight. So simply pytest test highlight. Let me execute it. No such element exception. I think which one? XPath sign in with Apple is okay. Let me correct XPath for that. This one, right? Button text sign in with Apple is this one is not working. Okay, this is not here. Okay, yeah, this is I can use pan. That's it, right? Yeah, it just says pan instead of button. Save it, execute again. JavaScript execution error. Okay, arguments style mistake. Sorry for the typo. Clear it one more time. Yes, that's it. Now screenshot also taken. Where is our screenshot? Uh, where is it saved? This is the old one. Delete it. Selenium 4 high. Where it is saving my screenshot. Selenium 4. Okay, correct spelling. Not sure why it is. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me come out, clear it. I'll say no. PyTest Selenium. Now we got the screen because previously we were inside the this folder and trying to give the path here like this. That's why we failed to get. Now if you see the screenshot, here we got the here we got the red line, but here it is highlighted. But if you can see, it is overlapped with the blue color. That's why I can see that by default blue color it is highlighted with that. Let me change the color of email, and should I keep yellow? We can see that re-executing the script. Yes, now I think we can see it is highlighted in yellow. Now you can see, right? By default, the border is having blue color. That's why we could not see exact color, but it is highlighted with the yellow, but overlapped with the blue color. And you can see in the sign in with the Apple button is highlighted with the red color. So the use cases. What is the use case? So suppose if we are working on some application there, like you will have a page transactions, like if you click on some form submission after entering all the details, sometimes if you click on it, the page navigation will not happen. Then you will be in a situation, right, whether I clicked on it or not. So if you can call this method highlight, if you can highlight that element after clicking on the sign in button, then you will get a confirmation in the screenshot. My driver has clicked on it, but the action, like the functionality, did not work. You will get that confirmation. Even where you will be attaching in your report so many screenshot when the test case failed. So when you open the screenshot, you will see, I mean, you can see that entire page. But if you can add or if you can highlight some of the elements, it looks like it will be like more appropriate to get the more information, like this element and enter the text, or this action performed, or the element in the drop down is selected. So whenever required, if you can highlight it, then it gives you additional confirmation or confidence that action is performed by the driver. That is the use case I found myself in my automation journey. Yeah, thank you for watching.